Kaleigh, this is the first pilot. Yesterday in the water, today with very good lesson. She is performing well. Now we are going for the Blizzard task. First turn correctly. Second turn also. And now we are looking for the third turn. Yes, release the power after the turn. We can see how the energy is picking her up. Now the last turn into the left. And straight to the gate. We are looking for the next pilots. Stephane Fontana is taking off right now. Kaleigh is just finishing her flight and Stephane on the takeoff. First turn correctly to the second turn. Stephane is keeping very nice the level of the flight. Preparing his next turns. And now the last turn, straight line to the gate for close the time. And Leah is opening her task. Right, left, to the right, and the last turn should be left in the farthest pylon, and she is picking it up correctly, going for close the time, straight long line to the wind. Leah Catullo finish her try. Cris, open the time. First turn correctly from the right to the left. Cris and his Viper 6, big size. We can see that he's missing a lot of speed, but he is trying to make it correctly to balance the power of the engine and the ability of the wing. Okay, straight line. Speed bar and turn. Keeping up with the turn, balancing the power. First right, now left, then right and left. Taking time, but everyone needs to have the time to learn. This moment we have 3 pilots in the air in the waiting zone, plus Ludovic, who is just finishing his try. We can hear the sound of the Zeus engine from Sky Engines, Italian engine. taking the slaloms big time. Till now correctly, trying to keep the focus. To the last turn. Fighting with the wing. Release a little power to close the time, and yes, he is closing the time. Slowly but surely. Speed bar open. This wing doesn't have the PK system. That's why we will not see very high speeds in this flight. But let's hope Martin Novak will manage it as short as he can. First turn correctly to the second turn, but here too much power goes before this turn. It's pretty difficult to force the wing to turn when it's going up. This is for what he's striving. We can see he's going for the last turn. Releasing the speed bar, already ascending, is making very big gap. Should release the power, follow up to the gate, but until now configuration correct, and he's going to close the time. And let's see his try. He's already flying on the free ride 2, still with the 202 Tor 202 Polini. Not the best engine for the slalom, but it's not every time about the engine. You have to understand that to learn how to be fast in the slalom, you need to progress by the engines, and we can see big progress with the Johnson flights. Thanks to the 202 he's flying. Before he was flying Monster, it was difficult for him. Now I believe he understands that this kind of engines are for slalom. Straight line. Let's switch to Polish. I wjeżdża Seweryn Sobczak. Ostro na pierwszym pylonie, bardzo blisko, aż go zasysa, i drugi pylon od razu nie czeka na nic. Wyciska speeda i wjeżdża w trzeci pylon. Przekładka, aż brakło mu mocy niemal. I teraz ostatni pylon. Bardzo ładnie utrzymuje się. Widać, że mogłoby tam być jeszcze trochę mocy, ale właśnie Seweryn robi to, co do niego należy. Wykorzystuje maksimum z Boxera 220S i tego Snake'a, ale Tryml is coming very fast. It's even faster that I can speak. First turn. Managed well. Very good transition. Now he have time to change for another right turn. Very good, and following up with the left one in the end. Very short, taken like in the drift. Going for close the time. No penalties. Very good time for sure. Opening the time. To the first turn. There he goes. Very fast, going for the right one. Very close. And the last one. Now to assemble this good position in speed bar without releasing too much power, it's good. Will be fast try. Let's see. Luboš Halama is going to the gate. Opening the time. Luboš has his own style in the slalom. This is coming thanks to the Alex Mateos system in his wing. One of the pilots who is using this system in Dudek gliders. Very good try. Abdulrahman Gawas, Qatari pilot. snake 4 and Zeus picking up first turn. Let's hope he will not have any problems today. Until now, smoothly. Speed bar, change. Little bit clunky, but now he's going for the last turn. This will cost him. This will cost him for sure. Assemble good position and go out from the gate. We have his time. It's Eissa coming. Eissa Al-Hajjaji entering to the stadium on his snake 4 with the Zeus. Let's see what Eissa can pick up. Nice speed. Good transition. He takes some place to be shorter. Trajectory is very important. Very good Eissa. Following up with his last turn and speed bar to the gate. Very close to the water, but he's feeling that. 17. Naif Al-Baloshi is opening the time. Very fast and starting his dance. First, second turn, almost like one turn. Here, a little bit time lost. He knows that. He knows he needs to cut it. Yes, he is doing it. And he have this pylon very short. And the last one also now, very important. How he will assemble his position to the exit. It's very good. He's pushing up and he have it. Let's see if he content with the first place. Jérémy Penone opening his time. It's not as fast visibly, but let's see. We know his style. A little wide, fighting with the wing a lot. Here, cut as much as he could, touching the pylon and closing the time.